Hello everybody, I'm Karen Modeo from Italy, and I'm a designer, maker, and textile colorist. Um, I I work in for several years in the fashion fields before deciding to opening my own label, and I work as a designer, and I studied fashion, and after um, different experience from like brands, I founded Oak Studio in 2018, and it is inspired from cultural landscape and its cultural values of the specifically on the Apulia region of Italy. Our garments are made to wear, and they are the results of a month of careful research and collaboration between women who are attentive at the needs of the planet and the people who live on it. So every detail has been taken care to ensure a product of excellent craftsmanship. It is comfortable, and we made this to enhance the beauty and the uniqueness of each body. Our desire is to combine the past and the present, to not to forget tradition, but to accompany through forward to the future. I'm here to develop my concept of quality, research, passion for materials, and concern for biodiversity and community value. I work as a designer for several years before deciding to combine the passion of natural dyes with the work I do. I love natural dyeing because, of course, for its rich color palettes, but also because it allowed to me to be in close contact with nature, the most perfect art form, I think. My inspiration has mostly been the Mediterranean landscape and their culture. I often draw on myths, dreams, and stories that spring from this magic land, and I'm interested on spending time on artistic research, but also working with pigments, textile, and experimenting both manually and digitally. In the near future, I would like to improve the way I produce the garments and make it less impactful and more efficient. Another goal I have is going to Central and South America to study and research natural dyes, but all the craft practice for the yeah, of course, the land where I was born, and the knowledge of my ancestors. So I'm really happy to be here, and just like I'm to meet people. I like the she energies. I want to do also. I want to do at the same time so many things, and sometimes I forget like that I was doing that. So I starting running. No, something's getting wrong, but it's okay. So I'm just like I love the space. I never use so many professional dye machine. So it's, for me, it's really I really enjoy working like with discomfort. You know, my first job is like a designer, but in the secondary time I'm doing this, and so I I'm trying to fix my studio. I would like I'm like I have my dreams how it's gonna be, like with the light, with the plants, and with a corner where I can dispose garments, and also where I can have a little workshop for doing my natural dyeing, and also have a desk with all the pigments, all the raw materials. So that's I would like to do, and in my future, in my near future, I would like to open a shop close to the beach, so near to Bari on Monopoli, where there is a lot of blue. But I want also to bring all the blue in my studio, in my shop, and that's it. Just, yeah, I'm following the things that is happening now, and I'm really happy to be here, to enjoy, to like also see how does it work, the synthetical dyes and other kind of form of art, pattern, design. So I'm really happy to be here